Have you ever wondered why Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, spins faster than any other planet? This celestial behemoth, known for its colossal size and majestic beauty, has intrigued and fascinated astronomers and stargazers alike for centuries. Jupiter is not just another celestial body in our solar system. It's a marvel, an enigma that continues to captivate us with its unique characteristics. Its enormous size is so grand that it could easily swallow more than 1,000 Earths. Yet despite its gigantic proportions, Jupiter completes one rotation on its axis in a mere 9 hours and 55 minutes. That's less than half the time it takes our planet to do the same. A day on Jupiter is a whirlwind, quite literally. The planet's swift rotation creates strong jet streams, dividing its clouds into dark belts and bright zones across long stretches of its atmosphere. These bands of whipping winds, some moving at speeds of more than 200 miles per hour, add to the planet's mystique. But why does Jupiter spin so quickly? The answer lies in its composition. Unlike Earth, which is solid, Jupiter is predominantly a gaseous planet. This gaseous nature allows for less friction as the planet rotates, resulting in a faster spin. Yet, the fast spin isn't the only thing that sets Jupiter apart. This gas giant is also known for its powerful magnetic field, its dozens of moons, and its iconic Great Red Spot, a storm that has been raging on for centuries. Each of these characteristics makes Jupiter an object of fascination and a subject of extensive scientific study. Jupiter's enigma extends beyond its physical characteristics. It's a planet that continues to provide us with valuable insights into the workings of our solar system and the universe at large. And as we continue to explore this intriguing planet, we keep uncovering more of its secrets, each more fascinating than the last. Now that we've piqued your curiosity, let's delve into the past and explore the journey of Jupiter's discovery. It's hard to pinpoint the exact discovery of Jupiter, as it's one of the 5 planets visible to the naked eye from Earth. This colossal gas giant, the largest planet in our solar system, has been known to humanity for thousands of years. Ancient civilizations, from the Babylonians to the Greeks, recognized Jupiter as a wandering star, distinct from the backdrop of the night sky. To them, Jupiter was more than just a celestial object. It held cultural and religious significance, often associated with their highest deities. The Greeks named it after Zeus, the king of their pantheon. The Romans, too, named it after their supreme god Jupiter. Its grandeur and brilliance always stood out, silently narrating tales of the cosmos to those who dared to look up and wonder. Fast forward to the turn of the 17th century, a period known as the Scientific Revolution. In this era, a man named Galileo Galilei emerged, challenging the conventional wisdom of his time. Galileo, armed with his rudimentary telescope, a device he himself improved, turned his gaze towards the sparkling night sky. In 1610, Galileo made a groundbreaking discovery. He observed 4 points of light orbiting Jupiter. These weren't just any points of light, they were moons, the 4 largest of Jupiter's many satellites. Today, we know them as the Galilean moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. This was a significant moment in human history. It challenged the geocentric model of the universe, which placed Earth at the center. Galileo's observations of Jupiter and its moons provided the first empirical evidence supporting the heliocentric model, where the Sun, not the Earth, is at the center of our solar system. This discovery was a monumental step forward, reshaping our understanding of the cosmos and our place within it. From the naked eye to the telescope, our understanding of Jupiter has come a long way. But the real breakthroughs were yet to come. The 1970s brought a new era of understanding for Jupiter with the Voyager missions. These missions, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, launched by NASA in the late 70s, were designed to conduct close-up studies of Jupiter and its moons. They provided us with some of the most detailed images and data ever collected about the gas giant and its celestial family. The Voyager spacecrafts were our eyes and ears in the outer reaches of the solar system. Their journey to Jupiter took about 1.5 years, and the data they gathered drastically transformed our understanding of the colossal planet. One of the most significant findings was the detailed images of Jupiter's atmosphere. This turbulent and dynamic system, with its swirling clouds and stormy weather patterns, revealed an environment far more complex and chaotic than previously thought. The Voyagers observed lightning in Jupiter's clouds, found that the planet's atmosphere is mostly hydrogen and helium, and discovered that the planet's iconic bands are actually different types of clouds moving at different speeds. The Voyagers also gave us our first close-up view of the Great Red Spot, a massive storm that's been raging on Jupiter for at least 300 years. This storm is so large that Earth could fit inside it more than 2 times over. The Voyagers found that the Great Red Spot is an anticyclone, a high-pressure region in the atmosphere with winds reaching speeds of up to 300 miles per hour. Moreover, the Voyagers discovered a faint ring system around Jupiter. Unlike the prominent and brightly visible rings of Saturn, Jupiter's rings are thin, dark, and made up of tiny dust particles. These particles are believed to be the remnants of meteors that crashed into Jupiter's moons. As technology advanced, so did our understanding and fascination with Jupiter. The next phase of exploration brought even more exciting discoveries. From the Voyager missions to today's state-of-the-art spacecraft, our journey of discovery continues, always reaching for the stars, always hungry for knowledge, and always in awe of the mysteries that the universe holds. In recent years, our knowledge of Jupiter has expanded exponentially, thanks to missions like Juno. Juno, a spacecraft launched by NASA in 2011, has been our eyes and ears in the Jovian system, tirelessly unveiling the secrets of the giant planet. One of the most startling revelations from Juno is the discovery of Jupiter's polar cyclones. If you thought hurricanes on Earth were fierce, these swirling storms at Jupiter's poles are a whole new level of intense. Each cyclone is as wide as a continent, with some stretching up to 4,000 miles in diameter, and they're arranged in an almost perfect geometric pattern. The northern pole hosts a central storm surrounded by 8 others, while the southern pole has one central storm with 5 others around it. These cyclones are a marvel of planetary meteorology, their existence and persistence defying our current understanding of fluid dynamics. But Juno's discoveries don't stop there. The spacecraft has also given us a deeper understanding of Jupiter's internal structure. Beneath its turbulent, cloud-streaked exterior, Jupiter harbours a vast ocean of metallic hydrogen. This strange substance, formed under immense pressure, is believed to be the source of Jupiter's powerful magnetic field. Juno's measurements have also indicated that Jupiter's core is fuzzy, a term scientists use to describe a core that's not solid but rather a blend of elements, hinting at a complex and fascinating interior. Furthermore, Juno has spotted sprites and elves in Jupiter's upper atmosphere. These are transient luminous events, or bright flashes of light, that occur in the atmospheres of Earth and other planets. Their discovery on Jupiter suggests that the mechanisms for these phenomena are more common in our solar system than previously thought. These latest findings have only deepened the mystery and allure of Jupiter, leaving us with more questions than answers. As we continue to gaze upon this gas giant, one thing is clear: Jupiter is full of surprises, consistently reshaping our understanding of the cosmos. So, from ancient observations to the latest space missions, Jupiter has always captured our curiosity. Our journey began with the ancient astronomers who first spotted Jupiter in the night sky, a bright, unwavering point of light that piqued their interest. We learned how those early observations led to the understanding that Jupiter was not just a star, but a planet, a world of its own, separate from ours. We then moved on to the discovery of Jupiter, a significant milestone in the annals of space exploration. This discovery, made through the lens of a telescope, revealed a planet so large it could swallow all the other planets in our solar system combined. We saw not a barren, lifeless world, but a planet teeming with storms and covered by clouds. From there, we delved into the Voyager missions, those brave pioneers of space that gave us our first close-up look at Jupiter. We learned about the Great Red Spot, that colossal storm that has been raging on Jupiter for hundreds of years. This swirling crimson tempest is a testament to the dynamic nature of Jupiter's atmosphere and a symbol of its enduring mystery. Next, we explored the latest discoveries about Jupiter, brought to us by the intrepid Juno mission. Juno has shown us a Jupiter we never knew existed, a planet with a complex magnetic field and a core that's denser and larger than we ever imagined. Through it all, we've seen that Jupiter is more than just a planet. It's a testament to the wonders of the universe, a symbol of the infinite possibilities that await us in the cosmos. Every discovery, every image, every piece of data we've gathered about Jupiter has only served to deepen our fascination with this giant planet. As our exploration continues, who knows what other secrets Jupiter holds? One thing is certain, our fascination with this giant planet is as vast as the planet itself.